Yes, this is one of my top paying strategy of all time. I'm about to share with you guys now. So what I want for you is to pay attention, understand every bit of this video, how to set up the indicator and how to apply it. This strategy will change your trading history forever. The profit generating rate is consistent. Do you understand? So you need only two indicators. You need what? Only two indicators: Bollinger Band indicator and the MACD indicator. These are what the only two indicators you need to make consistent profit. Now, one good thing about this strategy is that it will show you a perfect entry. You understand? It will do what? It will show you a perfect entry where you need to do what? Make your entry without fear of hitting your stop loss. Do you understand? This is a premium strategy I'm sharing with you guys free of charge. So pay attention, understand every bit of the video, and your trading history will change. Do you understand? So you need only two indicators: moving average and MACD indicators. These are what the only two indicators you need to do what? Change your trading history. So before we proceed, let me show you the settings for the indicators. So this is what Bollinger Band. This is what Bollinger Band indicator. Pay attention. You can screenshot it or you write it down. Do you understand? Because the settings matters a lot. The settings matters a lot. If you miss any of the data, the whole process will be mixed up. Do you understand? So here are what the settings for Bollinger Band indicator. The period is 20. Deviation 2.000, shift 0, apply to close. Do you understand? Then style 2 pixel. Now this is for what? Bollinger Band. Do you understand? So once you're done setting it up this way, you click on done. Do you understand? Now the next indicator is MACD indicator. MACD indicator. So here are what the settings for MACD indicator. You can screenshot it or you write it down. Do you understand? This is very, very important. Like as I said, this is strategy will change your trading history forever because it is highly accurate. Do you understand? So for MACD indicator, the fast EMA is 70, slow EMA is 26, MACD XMA is 2, apply to close. Do you understand? So here what the style: men 4 pixel, signal 2 pixel, men color green, signal red. So once you're done setting up the MACD indicator in this manner, you click on done. Now let's go back to the chart and I will show you, I will review a secret that will change your trading history forever. Now this is what our charts. Do you understand? Now let me show you how to apply. Pay attention. Let me show you how to apply this strategy and make massive profits. Now this is what I want you to do. You understand? Now with the MACD indicator will show you when the MACD indicator crosses from up downward. Look at this points. Look at this point. When MACD crosses from up downward. Do you understand? This is what a bullish trend. This is what a bullish trend. Do you understand? A bullish what trend. Now the next question is, where do you need to make your entry and record massive profit? A perfect entry. Like as I said in the beginning of this video, this strategy will show you where to make a perfect entry. Do you understand? So pay attention. Now once you see the crossing of MACD from up downward, it signifies what? A uptrend. Now where you need to make your entry, once you see the crossing, just relax. Don't be emotional. Once you see the crossing, just relax. Now what I want you to pay attention is where the price touches what? The lower band of what? MACD. Look at this point. This is where I want you to pay attention. Where the price touches the lower band of MACD. This is what? A perfect entry for you. Do you understand? Now this is where the crossing occur. Pay attention. This is where the crossing occur. You don't need to rush. Do you understand? You don't need to be get your emotion involved. So once you see the correction occur, pay attention. Do you understand? Once you see the correction occur, relax. Now target your entry where the price or candlesticks touches the lower band of MACD. So once you capture that, make your entry, and this is what perfect and huge profit. Do you understand? Now let's proceed. Now look at here, look at the correction here. Pay attention. I told you that this strategy will change your trading history forever. Do you understand? Now look at where the correction occur here. So once you notice the correction, look at the direction of the correction from down upward. So this is what a clear sell signal. So once you notice the correction from this point here, just relax. What you should target is where the price touches the upper band of Bollinger Band. Do you understand? And you make your entry where the candlestick touches the upper band of Bollinger Band, and this is massive profit. This is one of my top high paying strategy of all time. Do you understand? It is a premium strategy, guys. I am sharing free of charge, so enjoy yourself with this. Do you understand? And that is how it is. It proceeds. You see a lot of profit, a lot of profit, and that is it. Now watch here again. Now all the strategies I share on this channel are high paying strategies, so you don't need, there is no reason for you not to make profit. Look at where the correction occur here. Look at what the cross. So once you notice the crossing, just relax. Target the price once it bounce on the lower band of Bollinger Band. Once it touches it, boom, make your entry, and this is massive profits. So guys, this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are being shared. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit, and change their trading history for good. Thank you.